In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine Figma and Google Slides to design professional presentations. By the end, you'll know how to move polished visuals from Figma into Google Slides quickly and cleanly, so your decks look consistent and on brand without a lot of manual tweaking. Start by opening your Figma file with the designs you want to showcase. It helps if your content is organized into frames because frames copy over as tidy, self-contained images. Before you copy, take a quick look at spacing and alignment in Figma. Group related elements, and make sure nothing is hanging off the canvas. If you're designing specifically for slides, a 1920 by 1080 frame matches a standard widescreen slide and will keep proportions predictable once you paste. Now select the frame or elements you want and choose Copy as PNG. This option gives you a high quality, flattened image that preserves transparency and renders consistently in Google Slides. If you want extra crisp results on projectors or large displays, consider scaling up the export in Figma before copying so fine text and lines stay sharp. PNG is ideal here because it balances quality with compatibility and avoids font or layout shifts. Next, switch over to your Google Slides deck. Navigate to the slide where this visual belongs. If you're placing a full bleed image, a blank layout makes positioning easier, but any layout will work. Give the slide a moment to load if your connection is syncing. That helps avoid small paste delays. Paste the PNG directly into the slide. Once it appears, drag from a corner handle to resize while holding Shift to maintain the aspect ratio. Use the alignment guides to center it, and rely on the snap lines for even margins. If your slide includes other elements, arrange the order so your image sits behind or in front as needed. A quick visual check for edge cropping and legibility will save you time later. Finally, use the highlighted option in the Google Slides toolbar to direct attention. Select any on-slide text, titles, callouts, or labels, and apply a highlight color that complements your brand palette. Subtle, high-contrast highlights make key points stand out without overpowering the design you brought in from Figma. Keep highlight usage consistent across slides so the audience immediately recognizes priorities and takeaways. That's it. Open the Figma file, copy as PNG, move to Google Slides, paste, and then use highlight to emphasize what matters. With this workflow, you get the best of both worlds, fast layout in slides and pixel-perfect visuals from Figma.